हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू ऑल माई यूट्यूब चैनल स्टडी विद ऋषभ। फ्रेंड्स, आज की वीडियो काफ़ी ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट रहने वाली है क्योंकि फ्रेंड्स आज मैं आपको फुल जनवरी मंथ के करंट अफेयर के 160 प्लस क्वेश्चंस करवाऊंगा। फ्रेंड्स, आप किसी भी कम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम की तैयारी कर रहे हो तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए काफ़ी ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट रहने वाली है। फ्रेंड्स, ऐसे तो करंट अफेयर्स के हज़ारों क्वेश्चन बनते हैं, बट मैंने फ्रेंड्स इस वीडियो में वही सिलेक्टेड क्वेश्चन लिए हैं जिनकी आपके एग्ज़ाम में आने की पूरी पॉसिबिलिटीज़ है। फ्रेंड्स, ये वीडियो इंग्लिश मीडियम में रहने वाली है। फ्रेंड्स, मैंने हर क्वेश्चन में 4 ऑप्शन दे रखे हैं। फ्रेंड्स, मैं सिर्फ क्वेश्चन बोलूँगा, आपने वीडियो पॉज करके अपना आंसर सेलेक्ट कर लेना है। फ्रेंड्स, मैं आपको हर क्वेश्चन में 3 से 4 सेकंड दूंगा। सो फ्रेंड्स, विदाउट वेस्टिंग टाइम, लेट्स स्टार्ट विथ फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। नंबर 1, चाइना हैज़ क्लेम्ड विच इंडियन स्टेट एज साउथ तिब्बत? राइट आंसर ऑप्शन बी, अरुणाचल प्रदेश। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, which of the following states chief minister has launched कौशल रोजगार निगम पोर्टल? राइट आंसर ऑप्शन सी, हरियाणा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ विच कंट्री मोहम्मद अब्दुल्लाही फार्माजो हैज सस्पेंडेड प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोहम्मद हुसैन रुबाल फ्रॉम ऑफिस? राइट आंसर ऑप्शन डी, सोमालिया। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, in which state the central government has approved to host the Khelo India Youth Games 2022-23? Right answer option C, Madhya Pradesh. Question number 5, Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched blockchain based digital degrees at which institute? Right answer option D, IIT Kanpur. Question number 5, which country has started the world's longest metro line? Right answer option D, China. Question number 7, according to ICRA Ltd, what is the estimated GDP growth rate of India for the financial year 2022 to 2023? Right answer option B, 9%. Question number 8, who is the new Director General of Indian Coast Guard? Right answer option A, Virender Singh Pathania. Question number 9, what is the theme of Global Family Day? Right answer option B, One Day in Peace. Question number 10, India sent COVID-19 vaccines to which country through Iran? Right answer option A, Afghanistan. Question number 11, Konark Sun Temple's Jagmohan to be opened after 118 years. It is in which state? Right answer option C, Odisha. Question number 12, which state has cut petrol price by 25 rate for two-wheelers? Right answer option B, Jharkhand. Question number 13, who has become the first Indian to qualify for 2 different events of the held Winter Olympics in Beijing? Right answer option B, Arif Muhammad Khan. Question number 14, which organization celebrated its 64th Foundation Day on 1st January 2022? Right answer option D, DRDO. Question number 15, which nation won the Under 19 Asia Cup 2021? Right answer option A, India. Question number 16, who has been appointed as the new ambassador of India to the United Nations Conference on Disarmament? Right answer option C, Anupam Rai. Question number 17, Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan launched a nationwide 100 days reading campaign. What is the name of campaign? Right answer option C, Padhe Bharat. Question number 18, Abdullah Hamdok resigned as Prime Minister of which nation? Right answer option C, Sudan. Question number 19, which state government has renamed Jawaharlal Nehru Road as Narendra Modi Marg? Right answer option B, Sikkim. Question number 20, cricket all-rounder Mohammad Hafiz has announced his retirement from international cricket for which of the following countries? Right answer option D, Pakistan. Question number 21. New COVID-19 variant IHU has been detected in which country? Right answer option A, France. Question number 22. Who has been appointed as the new chairman and CEO of the Railway Board? Right answer option A, Vinay Kumar Tripathi. Question number 23. Which union minister has recently launched the India Semiconductor Mission? Right answer option B, Ashnavi Vaishnav. Question number 24. Which state's high court has become the country's first paperless court? Right answer option B, Kerala. Question number 25. Who has been appointed as new Director General for the National Mission for Clean Ganga? Right answer option D, G. Ashok Kumar. Question number 26. Which country will host the 46th Nation Mega Naval Battle Exercise Milan 2022? Right answer option C, India. Question number 27. As of January 1, 2022, what is the estimated population of the world as per the US Census Bureau? Right answer option C, 7.8 billion. Question number 28. China has found traces of coronavirus in which fruit? Right answer, dragon fruit, C option. Question number 29. Which is the first company in the world to achieve a $3 trillion market cap? Right answer option A, Apple. Question number 30. When will ICC Women's World Cup begin? Right answer option B, March 4. Question number 31. Atal Tunnel, which was seen in the news recently, is located in which state or union territory? Right answer option A, Himachal Pradesh. Question number 32. Who will lead India in the ICC Women's World Cup 2022? Right answer option C, Mithali Raj. Question number 33. ICC has decided to impose an in-match penalty for slow rate in which cricket format? Right answer option B, T20. Question number 34. Viktor Zanev, who have passed away recently, was a 3-time Olympic medalist in which of the following sports event? Right answer option A, triple jump. Question number 35. Which country is facing unrest due to a sudden spike in fuel prices? Right answer option B, Kazakhstan. Question number 36. What is the theme of the 24th National Conference on E-Governance? Right answer option C, India's Decade Digital Governance in a Post-Pandemic World. Question number 37. PM Modi has inaugurated a new campus of Chittaranjan National Cancer Institute CNCI in which city? Right answer option B, Kolkata. Question number 38. Japan recently signed Reciprocal Access Agreement RAA with which country? Right answer option B, Australia. Question number 39. Who has been appointed as the new Secretary General of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization? Right answer option C, Zhang Ming. Question number 40. Which of the following states has been named as the host for the National Youth Festival 2022? Right answer option C, Puducherry. Question number 41. Who of the following has been appointed as the new Director General of Police of Punjab? Right answer option A, Viresh Kumar Babra. Question number 42. who has been appointed as the new Secretary General of the Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries? Right answer option C, Haitham Al Ghaz. Question number 43. Which state government has announced an increase in the retirement age of state government employees from 60 years to 62 years? Right answer option A, Andhra Pradesh. Question number 44. Which country's president has signed a law prohibiting child marriage? Right answer option B, Philippines. Question number 45. Who has authored the new book titled Gandhi's Assassin: The Making of Nathuram Godse and His Idea of India? Right answer option B, Dhirendra Jha. Question number 46. Which date has declared as Veer Bal Divas by PM Modi? Right answer option A, December 26. Question number 47. Justice Ayesha Malik has become the first woman Supreme Court judge of which country? Right answer option B, Pakistan. Question number 48. Which film won the Golden Globe Award 2022 in Best Motion Picture Drama category? Right answer option B, The Power of the Dog. Question number 50. Which television series won Best TV Series Drama at the Golden Globe Awards 2022? Right answer option B, Succession. Question number 51. The UP Assembly elections 2022 will take place in how many phases? Right answer option A, 7. Question number 52. The Indian Railway has renamed Kevadia railway station by which name? Right answer option B, Ekta Nagar railway station. Question number 53. Who has become the winner of the 2022 Melbourne Somerset 1 men's single title? Right answer option C, Rafael Nadal. Question number 54. PM Modi will inaugurate 11 new medical colleges in which state? Right answer option A, Tamil Nadu. Question number 55. What is the theme for National Youth Day 2022? Right answer option A, युवा उत्साह नए भारत का. Question number 56. Who among these has been awarded the 12th Bharat Ratna Dr. Ambedkar Award 2022? Right answer option C, Harshali Malhotra. Question number 57. Chris Morris, who has announced retirement from all forms of cricket, represented which country? Right answer option D, South Africa. Question number 58. Who was IPL's most expensive player in the 2021 edition? Right answer option B, Chris Morris. Question number 59. Pierre Olivier Gourinchas has been named as the new chief economist of which international body? Right answer option B, IMF. Question number 60. Which city will host IPL 2022 mega auction event? Right answer option D, Bengaluru. Question number 61. Which actor has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Amway India? Right answer option D, Amitabh Bachchan. Question number 62. Ali Khan Smalov has been appointed as the new Prime Minister of which country? Right answer option C, Kazakhstan. Question number 63. Which company has been chosen as the title sponsor for the Indian Premier League IPL 2022 and 2023 season by BCCI? Right answer option A, Tata Group. Question number 64. What is the projected GDP growth rate of the global economy in 2022 as per the World Bank? Right answer option B, 4.1%. Question number 65. Which country's passport has topped the list of powerful passport for the first quarter of 2022 released by the Hanley Passport Index along with Japan? Right answer option B, Singapore. Question number 66. Who has authored the book Nehru: The Debates That Defined India? Right answer option C, both A and B, Tripudaman Singh and Adil Hussain. Question number 67. Google and which bank have tied up to boost the bank's customer experience strategy? Right answer option D, RBL Bank. Question number 68. What is the rank of India in the Hanley Passport Index released in 2022? Right answer option D, 83. Question number 69. Which state government has decided to bring a law to regulate online gaming? Right answer option D, Madhya Pradesh. Question number 70. Which team has been ranked at the top of World Test Championship table 2021-23? Right answer option A, Sri Lanka. Question number 71. In the calendar year 2022, what is the estimated growth rate of Indian economy as per the United Nations report? Right answer option B, 6.7%. Question number 72. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of ISRO to replace K. Sivan? Right answer option B, S. Somnath. Question number 73. What is India's current rank on the ICC World Test Championship table 2021-23? Right answer option B, 5th. Question number 74. Which of the following edition of the Army Day is being commemorated? Right answer option C, 74th. Question number 75. Which bank has named as the best private bank in India in the recent Global Private Banking Award 2021? Right answer option A, HDFC Bank. Question number 76. The first ever World Deaf T20 Cricket Championship in 2023 will be held in which of the following states? Right answer option C, Kerala. Question number 77. Which country had decided to expand the testing capacity by distributing rapid COVID-19 tests? Right answer option A, USA. Question number 78. Which day has been declared by Prime Minister Narendra Modi to be observed as National Startup Day in India? Right answer option A, January 16. Question number 79. Which player has been named as the captain of Indian women's team participating in the 2022 Women's Hockey Asia Cup? Right answer option B, Savita Punia. Question number 80. The 2022 Women's Hockey Asia Cup will be held in which country? Right answer option B, Oman. Question number 81. Indian player Tasneem Mir was in news for becoming the first Indian world number 1 in which sports? Right answer option D, badminton. Question number 82. Birju Maharaj, who passed away on 17th January 2022, belongs to which profession? Right answer option C, Kathak dancer. Question number 83. Which actress has received the 12th Bharat Ratna Dr. Ambedkar Award 2022 for her performance in Bajrangi Bhaijaan? Right answer option C, Harshali Malhotra. Question number 84. Who among the following won the 2022 India Open Men's Double title? Right answer option D, Satvik Sairaj, Rankeddy and Chirag Shetty. Question number 85. Which of the following edition of the Dhaka International Film Festival take place in January 2022? Right answer option C, 20. Question number 86. Who among the following won the 2022 India Open Men's Singles title? Right answer option D, Lakshya Sen. Question number 87. Who of the following won the 2022 India Open Women's Single title? Right answer option C, Basnam Onbamrungpan. Question number 88. Name of the participant who received the Best National Costume Award at the Mrs. World 2022 pageant. Right answer option C, Navdeep Kaur. Question number 89. Who is the Pro Kabaddi 2022 top raider so far? Right answer option B, Pawan Sehrawat. Question number 90. The Indian Navy has participated in the PASEC exercise with which country? Right answer option C, Russia. Question number 91. Who is the winner of the Mrs. World 2022 beauty pageant? Right answer option A, Mrs. America. Question number 92. Who has been awarded the Best FIFA Men's Player Award 2021? Right answer option B, Robert Lewandowski. Question number 93. The Best FIFA Women's Player of the Year 2021 has been won by whom? Right answer option A, Alexa Putellas. Question number 94. Which bank has won the right to sell Vijay Mallya's London home? Right answer option A, UBS. Question number 95. Rozgar Mission is the recent initiative of which state? Right answer option A, Chhattisgarh. Question number 96. The 9th Women National Ice Hockey Championship 2022 has been organized at which place? Right answer option D, Lahore and Spiti. Question number 97. Who among the following has announced her retirement after the 2022 season? Right answer option B, Sania Mirza. Question number 98. Who has been named as the captain of the ICC Men's ODI Team of the Year 2021? Right answer option A, Babar Azam. Question number 99. Indonesia has decided to change its capital from Jakarta to which new capital city? Right answer option B, Nusantara. Question number 100. The Indian Navy and Japanese Navy undertook the Maritime Partnership exercise in which region in January 2022? Right answer option B, Bay of Bengal. Question number 101. Haryana state government has partnered with which state to revive the Saraswati river? Right answer option C, Himachal Pradesh. Question number 102. Who has been named as the captain of ICC Men's T20 Team of the Year 2021? Right answer option D, Babar Azam. Question number 103. Who among the following has topped the list of most popular world leader with a rating of 71%? Right answer option B, Narendra Modi. Question number 104. India will face which nation in its first match of the T20 World Cup 2022? Right answer option B, Pakistan. Question number 105. Who has been named as the captain of the ICC Men's Test Team of the Year 2021? Right answer option D, Kane Williamson. Question number 106. Who is the winner of Jancis Prize 2022? Right answer option C, Albert Bourla. Question number 107. Which city is the host of 2024 Summer Paralympics? Right answer option B, Paris. Question number 108. Who is the author of the book Legend of Birsa Munda? Right answer option A, Tuhin A. Sinha. Question number 109. What is the theme of International Day of Education in 2022? Right answer option B, Changing Course, Transforming Education. Question number 110. Who is the winner of the women's single title at the Syed Modi International Badminton Tournament 2022? Right answer option C, PV Sindhu. Question number 111. Which day is being celebrated as the International Day of Education globally? Right answer option D, January 24. Question number 112. In India, January 24 is marked as which day? Right answer option D, National Girl Child Day. Question number 113. Who has been named ICC Men's Cricketer of the Year 2021? Right answer option A, Shaheen Afridi. Question number 114. India is celebrating the 125th birth anniversary of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose on which date? Right answer option C, January 23. Question number 115. Which of these leaders has been conferred with the Netaji Award 2022 by the Netaji Research Bureau? Right answer option C, Shinzo Abe. Question number 116. Which team has won the 9th National Women's Ice Hockey Championship in 2022 held in Himachal Pradesh? Right answer option B, Ladakh. Question number 117. In 2022, which edition of National Voters' Day is being celebrated? Right answer option D, 12th. Question number 118. The World Bank has approved a loan of around 1000 crore for which Indian state government? Right answer option C, West Bengal. Question number 119. What is the theme for the National Voters' Day in 2022? Right answer option D, making elections inclusive, accessible and participative. Question number 120. Which Indian film has won the Best Film Award at the Dhaka International Film Festival 2022? Right answer option C, Kozangal. Question number 121. In 2022, India is observing which edition of Republic Day? Right answer option C, 73. Question number 122. Which Indian actor has been felicitated with the Best Actor Award at the Dhaka International Film Festival 2022? Right answer option B, Jayasuriya. Question number 123. Arman Sarkisian has resigned from the post of president of which country? Right answer option C, Armenia. Question number 124. How many aircraft took part in Republic Day Fly Past 2022? Right answer option B, 75. Question number 125. What is the theme for International Holocaust Remembrance Day 2022? Right answer option B, memory, dignity and justice. Question number 126. What is the rank of India in the Corruption Perception Index 2021? Right answer option B, 85. Question number 127. How many people have been conferred with the Padma Awards in 2022? Right answer option D, 128. Question number 128. How many gallantry awards have been conferred by the President of the India in 2022? Right answer option C, 384. Question number 129. 3 countries have jointly topped the Corruption Perception Index 2021 released by Transparency International. Which of these countries is not among them? Right answer option B, Norway. Question number 130. Which state has announced the formation of 30 new districts? Right answer option B, Andhra Pradesh. Question number 131. The naval exercise Chiru 2022 has been held between 3 countries to enhance their naval cooperation. Which country was not part of this naval drill? Right answer option C, India. Question number 132. According to IMF, what is the estimated global GDP growth projection in 2022? Right answer option D, 4.4%. Question number 133. Tata Group has topped from India as the most valuable brand in Brand Finance 2022 Global 500 report. What is the global rank of the brand? Right answer option C, 78. Question number 134. India has signed the contract to procure AK-203 assault rifles from which country, and how many rifles have been received by the Indian Armed Forces? Right answer option C, Russia, 70,000. Question number 135. A part of SpaceX rocket is likely to crash into which among the following? Right answer option D, Moon. Question number 136. India's first Chief of Defence Staff Bipin Rawat will be posthumously honoured with which among of the following awards? Right answer option A, Padma Vibhushan. Question number 137. Which brand has emerged as the world's most valuable brand in 2022 according to the Brand Finance 2022 Global 500 report? Right answer option D, Apple. Question number 138. Former Indian player Charanjit Singh, who has passed away, won an Olympic gold in which game in 1964? Right answer option C, hockey. Question number 139. Who has been appointed as the new Chief Economic Advisor CEA to the Government of India? Right answer option V, Anantha Nageshwaran. Question number 140. PM Modi hosted the first India Central Asia Summit virtually. How many countries are officially recognized as Central Asian region countries? Right answer option D 5. Question number 141. Who is the head of advisory board for banking and financial frauds? Right answer option D T.M. Basin. Question number 142. The government of India has officially handed over Air Force to the Tata Group. What is the value of this deal? The government of India has officially handed over Air India to the Tata Group. What is the value of this deal? Right answer option C 18,000 crore. Question number 143. On which date the birth anniversary of Lala Lajpat Rai is being observed? Right answer option D January 28. Question number 144. Who is the author of book titled A Little Book of India Celebrating 75 Years of Independence? Right answer option A Ruskin Bond. Question number 145. Prabha Atre, who was conferred the Padma Vibhushan, is associated with which field? Right answer option C music. Question number 146. What is the name of official mobile app of the Parliament of India launched by Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla? Right answer option D Digital Sansad app. Question number 147. What is the type of authorization granted to Covishield and Covaxin as of January 2022? Right answer option A conditional market authorization. Question number 148. Who has been appointed as the new CEA to the Government of India in place of KV Subramanian? Right answer option D V Ananath Nageshwaran. Question number 149. India's first innovation center for graphene is set to be established in which city of the country? Right answer Thrissur in Kerala. Question number 150. Which country is the host of 2022 Winter Olympics? Right answer option A China. Question number 151. Which of the following nations won the bronze medal in the Women's Asia Cup Hockey at Muscat in Oman? Right answer option A India. Question number 152. Who is the author of book The 10 Trillion Dream? Right answer option C Subhash Chandra Garg. Question number 153. Which union minister launched the Swachhata Startup Challenge? Right answer option B Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Question number 154. India's largest electric vehicle EV charging station has been inaugurated at which place? Right answer option D Gurugram. Question number 155. Which ministry has released the comic book title India's Women Unsung Heroes? Right answer option C Ministry of Culture. Question number 156. Who has been appointed as the new chairman and managing director of Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Ltd? Right answer option A Pushp Kumar Joshi. Question number 157. The World Leprosy Day 2022 is marked on which of these dates? Right answer January 30. Option D. Friends, World Leprosy Day is observed globally on the last Sunday of January every year. Question number 158. What is the theme of World Leprosy Day 2022? Right answer option C United for Dignity. Question number 159. Google invested $1 billion in which Indian company to expand its hold in India? Right answer option C Airtel. क्वेश्चन नंबर 160, Paytm Money has launched which AI-based messenger, India's first for users to invest and track markets? Right answer option D, Pops. Question number 161, which player has won the Australian Open 2022 women's single title? Right answer option B, Aslai Barty. Question number 162, which of these dates has been designated by the WHO as the World Neglected Tropical Disease Day? Right answer option A, January 30. Question number 163, Tata Group has chosen 3 banks as its preferred bankers for Air India. Which of these banks is not among them? Right answer option B, ICICI Bank. क्वेश्चन नंबर 164, फ्रेंड्स लास्ट क्वेश्चन कर लेते हैं इस वीडियो का। इंडियाज़ फर्स्ट यूनिक रॉक म्यूजियम हैज़ बीन इनॉग्रेटेड इन विच सिटी? राइट आंसर ऑप्शन ए, हैदराबाद। फ्रेंड्स मैंने आपको इस वीडियो में करंट अफेयर के 164 क्वेश्चन करवा दिए जनवरी मंथ के। फ्रेंड्स वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो लाइक और शेयर करना, और फ्रेंड्स चैनल पर नए हो सब्सक्राइब कर देना फ्रेंड्स, ताकि आने वाली वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिल सके। तब तक टेक केयर, गुड बाय।